Hello, good morning dear children. How are you? Hope everybody is fit and fine and waiting for annual examination, right? So I want to give you one information that in annual exam, after half yearly examination, whatever chapter we covered, after half yearly examination, whatever chapter we have covered, all the chapters will come in your exam except two chapters. Chapter number 14, safety and rules, and chapter number 17. Chapter number 14 and chapter number 17, environment and pollution. Chapter number 14, safety and rules, environment and pollution. These two chapters will not come in your annual exam. Rest of all the chapters, chapter 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, sorry 14, no 14. Chapter 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15 and 16. These 9 chapters will come in your annual exam. Okay? Okay, understand? Hope you understand better. Now today we are going to start chapter number 16, up in the sky. Chapter number 16, up in the sky. In this chapter, dear children, we are going to learn, we are going to discuss, we are going to get knowledge about two main things. What is solar system? Number 1, what is solar system, and number 2, what are the different phases of the moon. Number 1, what is solar system, and number 2, what are the different phases of the moon. These two things we are going to discuss in this chapter. So everybody open your EVS book, take a pencil with you and read along with me and try to understand what I make you learn, what I make you explain. Alright, so shall I start? Everybody is ready? Each and every children is ready? Okay, so here we start. There are stars, planets, satellite, etc. in the sky. These are very far from us. We can see a few from them from Earth. Let us know more about the features. Yes. When we will discuss about the sky, so we can say there are so many things in the sky. Moon, sun, different type of planets, satellites, galaxies. These are in the sky. These all are in the sky. But they are very far from us. They are very far from us. And among these and between these, among these, we are able to see only few ones. We can't see each and every planet in the sky. We cannot, from the earth, we people are not able to see each and every planet which is situated in this galaxy, in the sky. No, we can't see it. We can see only few ones. We can see only few ones. Now first we are going to discuss about the sun. First we are going to discuss about the sun. Okay, so dear students, we already discussed about the sun so many times in previous classes, in previous chapters, like weather and season. That time we learnt about the sun, because sun play a very important role in weather and season. Then water. So water vapor has been done because of sun only. So sun play a very important role, है ना? Now let's see what is written in the book. The sun is huge ball of hot gases. The sun is a huge ball of hot gases, right? It gives heat and light. So what are two major things which sun gives us? Heat and light. These two main things which we are getting from sun. The energy which we get, the sun is called solar energy, and sun is also giving us the energy. The name of that energy is solar energy. whatever energy we get from sun, that energy is called solar energy. And see dear students, sun play a very important role in our life, because of sunlight we can see each and everything very clearly. Because of sunlight we can see each and everything very clearly, and because of sunlight, because of sun heat kills the germs only, है ना. ऐसा होता है ना हमारे डेली लाइफ में भी कि आपके घर काजू बादाम किशमिश या किसी अनाज में कीड़े पड़ जाते हैं, तो मम्मी क्या बोलती है, जाओ बेटा इसको जाके छत पे धूप में रख दो. तो सन हीट्स से क्या होता है, किल्स जर्म्स. सनलाइट किल्स जर्म्स, सनलाइट जर्म्स को भी मारती है. दिस इज वेरी कॉमन. एंड बिफोर स्टार्ट्स विंटर सीजन we all keep our woolen clothes under the sunlight to kill the germs in outfit, to kill the germs of winter outfit. Each and every, all the rajai, all the kambal, all the sweater, gloves, scarf, and each and everything we will keep under the sunlight. Okay, now I will give you a small example. Beta, in America there is a country Alaska. This is a small information which I like to share with you, is that in America there is a city Alaska, and Alaska is a city where sun is not arising regularly. Sun is not arising. वहाँ पर अलास्का में रोज सूरज नहीं उगता है, रोज सूरज नहीं आता है. आफ्टर 65 days, कितने दिनों के बाद, आफ्टर 65 days the people of Alaska, they are able to see sun, or they are able to see sun for few hours only. सुबह 9 से दोपहर 1 बजे तक ही अलास्का में सूरज निकलता है. and that day people of Alaska, they all are very happy, they all are celebrating that day. Why? Because they face the sun, they have seen the sun. So as an festival they are celebrating that day when sun is arise. Okay, so sun play a very very important role. Now let's see what is written in the next. It rises in the east in the morning and sets in the west in the evening. Yes, when we learnt about the location, I told you so many times that sun always arise from east and always set in the west. The sun is much bigger than the earth. Yes, this line is very important, make it underline. Sun is very very bigger. Sun is the biggest rather than earth. पृथ्वी से, धरती से भी बड़ा होता है सूरज. The earth is about 150 million kilometers away from the sun. Here the distance is given in the book, beta. Here the distance between sun and earth is given in the book, that 35 million kilometers. Earth is very very far from the sun, है ना. 150 million kilometers. Sun is very far from the earth. 150 kilometers far from the earth. How many? 150 million kilometers. The sun is closest star to the earth. This is also very important, make it underline. Sun is the closest star to the earth. Sun जो है वो धरती से सबसे close है. Sun is the closest star to the earth. The temperature on the surface of the sun is about 54,000 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature. The temperature on the surface of the sun. सरफेस ऑफ द सन का मतलब होता है जो सूरज होता है, सूरज के पास जो टेम्परेचर होता है वो 54,000 डिग्री सेल्सियस होता है. बेटा देखो, what is happening actually? Sun gives us heat and light. During summer season we can't face sun because sun is very hot. So imagine that situation when anybody will go near to the sun. So the temperature of the sun is about 54,000 सेल्सियस ऑन सन सरफेस। सन की सरफेस पे उसका इतना टेम्परेचर रहता है। ओके, सो अबाउट द सन, keep few points is in your mind that sun is a huge ball of gases, huge hot ball of the gases. Sun gives us heat and light, and whatever energy we all are getting, that is called solar energy. And sun is the very closest star to the earth, and the distance between sun and earth is 150 million kilometer, 150 million kilometer, and the temperature of sun's surface is 54,000 degrees Celsius. Okay, now we will discuss about the sun's family. Number 2, we will discuss about the sun's family. How many? As like you have family members at your homes, your papa, mama, dadi, dadu, nani, chachu, bua, all these all your family members. So as like your family members, sun also have its own family. So let's see what are the members in sun's family. Okay, the sun is head of the big family. As like your dadu, who is head of the family, sun is head of the family. As like your, once again I will repeat, as like your dadu, who is head of the family, sun is head of the family, called the solar system. And the name of that family, see, suppose you have your family, so your family have a name, your family has a name, your family have a name, है ना? Like Tiwari ma'am's family, Falana's family. As like sun's family's name is solar system. It is at the center of the solar system. So sun is situated at the center of the solar system. Where is the place of the sun? Where is sun situated? Sun is situated in the center of solar system. Keep this here. Keep this important information over here, that sun is situated in center in solar system. जो solar system है उसमें sun जो है वो सबसे center में बीचम बीच होता है, right? Its family includes 8 planets. As like your family members, sun's family has 8 family members. Sun's family has 8 family members. The names of the family members are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. What are the names? The names are given over here in the book. You can see it. You can see it. These are the names of the other planet, and these all are the family members of sun. These all are the family members of the sun, and the names are Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Earth, Venus and Mercury. You can see Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. See, Jupiter is the biggest planet in solar system. This information also is important to you. Jupiter is the biggest planet on the solar family. Okay. Now sun is fixed a path. The place of sun is always fixed. The place of sun is always fixed in a path. This path of a planet is called an orbit. I already told you in the previous chapter that sun always fixed at a place, and the name of that place is an orbit. The path, वो जो उसका रास्ता है, उस रास्ते का नाम होता है orbit, right? The earth is the third place in the distance from the sun. So you can see this is sun. This is sun. Number 1 पे sun है, number 2 पे Mercury है, number 3 पे Venus है, and number 2 पे Venus है, and number 3 पे earth है. So the same thing is written in the book, that the earth is the third planet in the distance from the sun. जो सूरज से दूरी की बात करें तो जो अर्थ है वो 3rd नंबर पर है, ठीक है. द सन इज अबाउट 10s, 1s, 100,000, 10,000 13 lakhs times bigger than the earth. Yes. So make it underline this thing. Okay. Now planets do have their own lights. All the planets, whether it is Venus, Mercury and Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, they don't have their own light. They don't have their own light. They reflect light from the sun. They reflect the light of the sun. वो सूरज की रोशनी से रिफ्लेक्ट होकर चमकते हैं. They do not twinkle like a star. All the planets, they don't have their own light. They reflect the light from the sun and they do not twinkle like stars. Stars are twinkling at night in the sky, but all the planets cannot twinkle as like stars. Okay. So what you understand about the sun's family? What are the main points which you should remember? That the head of the family is sun. The name of the sun's family is solar system, and there are 8 members in the sun's family. The names are Neptune, Venus, Saturn, Jupiter, Earth, Mars, Venus and Mercury. And the earth is on 3rd place from the sun, and Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system, and sun always fixed at a path, and the name of that path is orbit. The name of that path is orbit. Right? And planets don't have their own light. They reflect light from the sun. And all the planets, they are not twinkling as like stars. No, they are not twinkling. They don't have their own lights. Now it's time to discuss about number 3, the moon. The moon. Now we will discuss about the moon. Let's see what is written about the moon. The moon is the Earth's natural satellite. Just as the earth moves around the sun, the moon moves around the earth. These is no air, no water. It does not have light of its own. It only reflects the light of the sun. Once again I will read. The moon is the earth's natural satellite. The moon that moon is the natural satellite of the earth, just as earth moves around the sun. Just as earth moves around the sun. Earth always moves around the sun, and sun is fixed at a place. The moon moves around the earth. The moon moves around the earth. I will show you how it is. This is sun, right? And this is earth. This is earth. And this earth is moving around of the sun. ये जो अर्थ है, ये सन के आजू बाजू चक्कर लगाती है. ऐसे ही जो मून है, that is taking round to the earth. और ये जो मून है, ये अर्थ के राउंड लगाता है. अर्थ सन के राउंड लगाती है और मून अर्थ के राउंड लगाता है. That is written in the book. The moon is Earth's natural satellite. Just as the earth moves around the sun, this earth move around the sun, है ना? The moon moves around the earth. So moon moves around the earth. पृथ्वी जो है वो सूरज के चक्कर लगाती है और जो चंद्रमा है वो पृथ्वी के चक्कर लगाता है. There is no air or water on the moon. There is no air or water on the moon. That's why there is no life on moon. Only Earth has a planet. There is life because of air, because of favorable weather and condition, because of water and different type of gases which is necessary for us, like oxygen and carbon dioxide, nitrogen. Okay, so there is no air and water on moon and as well as no gravity. हम यहाँ पर we are standing on the earth but we can't stand on the moon. On the moon तो we will fly here and there. There is no gravity power on the moon. It does not have lights of its own. So as like other planets, moon also have don't light. There is no light of moon. Moon will get light from the sun. जो moon है, it also getting light from the sun. Whatever light sun has, sun reflect that lights. वो light जो है वो moon पर पड़ती है and then moon reflect. Moon has not any light. Moon don't have any light. It's only reflect the light of sun. Moon always reflect the light of sun. Okay, so now we will discuss about the phases of moon. Phases of moon. Right, number 3 we are going to discuss about the phases of moon. Phases of moon means moons के types. Phases of moon. Phases of moons means the shape of moons. The moon takes about 27.32 days to move around the earth. How many days take moon to move around the earth? 27.32. 27.32 days. 27.32 days to move around the earth. To move around the earth. Once again I am repeating. Moon will take about 27.32 days to move around the earth. It changes its shape every day. Sun cannot change its size and shape, but moon always changes their size and shape every night. Every night. The changing of shape is called phases of moon. The changing of shape is called phases of moon. From the earth we can see only those parts of the moon that are lit by the sun. From the earth, Zameen se we are able to see only that part which is reflected, which is lit by the sun. We can see only that much part. We can see I already told you that moon don't have its own light. He reflects from sun's light. So we can see only those part of the moon which is lit by the sun. As the moon revolves around the earth, its lighted part which faces the earth also changes. Once again I will read. As the moon revolves, जैसे ही चंद्रमा जो है वो घूमता है अराउंड द अर्थ के आजू बाजू, इट्स लाइटेड पार्ट हैज फेसेस द अर्थ ऑल्सो चेंजेस. और जो उसका फेस होता है अर्थ की तरफ, दैट पार्ट ऑल्सो चेंजेस. When the moon is between the earth and sun, we do not see it at all. When the moon is between earth and sun, suppose this is moon and this is earth and this is sun. So what is written in the book? That when the moon is between the earth and sun, we do not see it. When the moon is between earth and sun, जब चक्कर लगाते जो मून होता है वो अर्थ और सन के बीच में आ जाता है, तो वी आर नॉट एबल टू सी. तो हम उसको नहीं देख सकते. I told you that sun is fixed at a place and the name of that place is orbit, and earth is moving around the sun and moon is moving around the earth. When moon will come between earth and sun, so we all are not able to see the moon. Once again I will repeat. When the moon will come between sun and earth, so we are not able to see the moon. and this is called new moon or Amavasya. So this situation is called what? This situation is called Amavasya. When moon will come between sun and earth, so we all are not able to see the moon. So this situation is called new day or Amavasya. This word you have heard so many times from your parent mouth. In 2 weeks time we will see the full moon, and after 2 weeks we can see full moon, and the day Purnima. That day is called Purnima, and this is how the moon completes one circle, and this is the rotation of the moon. This is the moon's complete one circle. That is the reason 15 days तो अमावस्या का पार्ट होता है, then 15 days पूर्णिमा वाला होता है, right? So when the moon will come between earth and sun, that time we are not able to see the moon. So this situation is called अमावस्या or new day, है ना? Then after 2 weeks we are able to see the full moon. We are able to see the full moon, and that day is called Purnima. And this is why the one cycle of the moon is completed. This is how the one cycle of the moon is completed. Okay, understand this much? Okay, so now my time is going to be finished. I have to wind up my class, but before winding up my class, take a small recap whatever we learned today. So we learned today about the sun. I told you that the sun is huge ball of hot gases. Sun gives us light, heat and solar energy also. And the temperature of the sun surface is 54,000 degrees Celsius, and the sun is the closest star to the earth. Then we discussed about the sun's family. Sun is the head of the family. The name of the sun's family is solar system. There are 8 members in the solar system in sun's family: Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter, Earth, Mars, Venus and Mercury. And Earth is situated in the 3rd place in solar system, and Jupiter is the biggest planet. Right, and sun always fixed at a path, and the name of that path is orbit. And then we discussed about the moon. Moon is also the natural satellite of the earth, and moon always moved around to the earth. Moon moves around to the earth, and there is no air, there is no water on moon. There is no gravity power on the moon, and moon don't have its own light. Moon always reflect with the light of sun. Then we discussed about the phases of moon. So moon takes about 27.32 days to move round the earth. 27.32 days. The changes of shape every day, every night actually, it's called the phases of moon. And when the moon will come between earth and sun, so that day is called Amavasya. And Amavasya we are all not able to see the moon, and the full moon we all are able to see on Purnima, right? So it's time to say bye bye, and hope you will read this chapter nicely and try to making understand. If you have any doubt you can ask. Till then, bye bye. God bless you. Have a nice day.